I'm Haley Boss.
And I'm Abigail Williams.
And we'd like to welcome you to Titan Connect.
Everybody please stand for the pledge. Put your right hand over your heart and your left hand down by your side and say it with me.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for our Titan traits. Repeat after me. A Titan is respectful, honest, responsible, self-disciplined, positive in attitude, and caring.
Please remain standing for a dress code check.
Like a cat. It's interesting. Now for today's announcements. There will be a mandatory parent meeting for any 7th grade student interested in trying out for basketball Thursday, November 15th at 6:30 in the cafeteria. You're strongly encouraged to have all paperwork ready to turn in at the meeting.
The 8th grade boys basketball team defeated Kannapolis yesterday, 57 to 42. The Titans were led on offense by LeVar Batts, PJ Hall, and Jace Parrish. The defense was led by Daryl McMeans, Alex England, and Wesley Knapp. The Titans are now 2-0.
Woo! Yay!
Or?
Science Club members. Science Club will hold its next meeting on Monday, November 26th from 4 to 5:30. We will meet in the multi-purpose room. It will be our egg drop competition. Plan to join us and have your device ready on November 26th. See Mr. Blake or Ms. Rodriguez if you have any questions.
And Northwest, this is Haley and Abigail's last day. Tear, I know.
So sad.
But, what, you saw what I did?
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh. It's been fun, and whenever we anchor, we also get, a little tribute video. Yeah. So I worked on something, and are you ready for this?
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay. Not yet.
Good morning, Northwest. This is Red Bird, and we need to pick new anchors. So we're going to play one of my favorite games, Anchor Birds. Whee! So, here we go.
Okay, Bailey and Sophie will be our anchor starting Tuesday because we do not have school on Monday. It is Veterans Day as we celebrate that. So Tuesday we have school, not Monday. Remember that. Congratulations, Bailey and Sophie. Okay, the word of the day is evolve. Evolve, it means to develop or progress. Evolve, to develop or progress. Some male adults never evolve into anything mature. Mr. Trump. Okay.
What? Did I miss something?
Words of wisdom for today. How many times have you been dared to do something that you shouldn't have done? Accepting a dare can be a dangerous thing, but not if you've been dared by William Danforth, the founder of Purina Company. He says this, in fact, he has a few dares just for you. Here they are. I dare you to think bigger. I dare you to act bigger and to be bigger. I dare you to be strong and keep yourself fit. I dare you to think creatively. I dare you to lead and inspire others. I dare you to build your character. I dare you to share, and I dare you to live a richer life. And I promise you a more exciting and richer life for yourself. These are some dares that we should take today. Remember this, it takes a great deal of courage and daring to be the best you can be. With something to think about, this is Mr. Farrar. Let's make it a great day or not. Choice is yours.
I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't.